This is Shailendra Kumar, your mathematics tutor. If you are new on this channel, first you subscribe it and don't forget to press bell icon to get notification first. Okay, today we are going to start chapter 4 of class 10, that is quadratic equation. In class 9, students had studied about quadratic polynomial. Here in this chapter we learn about quadratic equation, their standard form, finding their roots or solution by different methods, and also applications of quadratic equation. Okay, so let me start. First, what is quadratic equation? So here we can see quadratic equation is equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Okay, this is the standard form quadratic equation. So as we know that the highest power of quadratic polynomial should be 0, so here the standard form of quadratic equation is written as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let me one thing clear. What is equation? So equation is defined as the statement of equality. Okay, here it is the statement of equality in the term of algebraic expression, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so moving toward solution of this quadratic equation. Okay, so let me discuss exercise 4.1 of NCRT book. Here first question is to check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. Okay, so first equation is given under bracket x plus 1 square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So this can be solved to check whether it is quadratic equation or not, by solving the given equation. So let me start question 1 of exercise 4.1. So if we start solving it, first solve left part of the equation, that is x plus 1 whole square. It can be expressed on the basis of identity, that is a plus b whole square. It can be written as x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, and in right side it can be expressed as written as 2x plus 6. Okay, now this equation can be written as x square minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to 0. Look at here, both side we have 2x 2x, so this will be cancelled, and when 6 is shifted to left side, that is along with 1, we have minus 5. So what we have, x square minus 5 is equal to 0. In the equation, since highest power is 2, so yes, we can say it is a quadratic equation. So yes, it is a quadratic equation. Okay, now if we take second equation of same exercise, x square minus 2x x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x, minus 2 into 3 minus x. Okay, so let me proceed. What it can be written, x square minus 2x is equal to, minus 2 is being multiplied with 3 minus x, and it can be written as minus 6 plus 2x. Okay, minus 6 plus 2x, because both have minus sign. Now this can be written as x square minus 4x okay plus 6 is equal to 0. Again, if we go through the equation, it has a highest power of variable 2, so it can be said it is a quadratic equation. Okay, so Again, it is quadratic equation. Yes. Okay. Let me proceed. Next question of exercise. So I think in first question, all the questions can be solved in the similar way by going through the simplification of the given equation. We can check whether the equation is quadratic or not. Okay. So when we proceed toward next question, that is question 2, which is word problems, and we have to represent quadratic equation related to it. What is question? Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. Okay, यहाँ पे हम लोगों को एक quadratic equation form करना है. We do not have to solve it. So what is question? Let me read. The area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is one more than twice its breadth. The length of plot is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Okay, so in this situation, if we assume uh, length as x, okay, if we assume length as x, अगर हम लोग लेंथ को x मान लेते हैं, then what will be, sorry, we have to assume breadth as x. Okay, breadth as x, then length can be written as 2x. Okay, now what will be area of 2x plus 1? Will be 2x plus 1, 1 more than twice its breadth. Now area becomes equal to x bracket 2x plus 1. Okay, this is the area, and this area becomes equal to as per question 528 meters square. Okay, so what we have, equation x 2x plus 1 is equal to 528. Okay, now it becomes 2x square plus x is equal to 528, and 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. Okay, in similar way we can proceed in next question of exercise. Okay,